أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
Glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High, who created and proportioned, and who destined and then guided, and who brings out the pasture and then makes it dark stubble. We will make you recite, O Muhammad, and you will not forget, except what Allah may will. He knows what is apparent and what is hidden, and we will ease you toward ease. So remind, if the reminder should benefit, he who fears Allah will be reminded. But the wretched one will avoid it. Who will enter the great fire, neither dying therein nor living? He has certainly succeeded who purifies himself, and mentions the name of his Lord and praise. But you prefer the worldly life, while the hereafter is better and more enduring. Indeed, this is in the former scriptures, the scriptures of Abraham and Musa.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه.
It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, the ability to recite it, the Quran.